Today on Designing Spaces, we're going to show you how to take care of your car's engine without even opening the hood. And joining me today is Cheryl Holinsky with Seafoam. Great to have you.
Thanks, it's great to be here.
All right, so I'm going to be completely honest. When it comes to my SUV, I don't know much about the engine. You?
Same exact way.
All right, but it makes sense that one has to take care of the car, kind of like the way we take care of our bodies, you know, just to help it run smoothly.
Yeah, absolutely. I think most people don't realize that most common engine problems are actually the result of harmful residues that build up in the fuel itself. So causing problems like difficulty starting your engine, loss of fuel economy, and just general premature wear and tear on the vehicle. So taking care of your fuel system actually goes a long way to the overall health of your vehicle.
And then that always happens at the worst time when you're taking your girls to a dance competition and the car does not start.
Yes, it happens to me as just as well taking my daughter to school or across town. So getting ahead of the problems is the way to go.
All right, so today we're gonna get some tips from you. Car Care 101.
Absolutely.
Shall we do that? I have my SUV.
Perfect.
You're gonna show me how easy this is?
It's so easy.
Let's do it. Okay, so SUV ready, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna open the fuel tank and pour the Seafoam in.
Seafoam.
Yeah, it's that easy. So I like to think about Seafoam in the same way as the habits we adopt to keep ourselves healthy. Exercise, putting food in our body. So using Seafoam is an easy habit to adopt to keep your vehicle healthy. Adding Seafoam to the fuel tank actually helps clean the engine parts and help it to run more smoothly.
So you pour this in with the fuel
Yeah.
and it mixes in?
Yep, and you can't overdo it. You can't put too much in. There's no measuring. You pour the whole can in and you're done.
Okay, so show me.
It's super easy to use. All you have to do is take the top off, you pour the can in, the whole can.
Okay.
No measuring, you can't get it wrong.
So while I'm pouring it in, what is going on in there in terms of the mixture?
Yeah, so as you're pouring it in, it's actually mixing with the fuel to help clean the parts that help your engine run more smoothly.
Look at that, so easy, and my goodness, it probably would have saved me a lot of money in the past.
I think so.
So how long has Seafoam been around?
Yeah, so Seafoam's been around nearly 80 years. Millions of people use it every day to solve engine problems, and you can get it anywhere, at any of the major retail chains, at convenience stores, you name it. You don't have to be a car guru, it's anywhere. And at under $10 a can, it's super affordable.
Easy, and it works.
And Olga, people who start to use it, they love it. They tell their friends, their family, and then they start spreading the word about how effective it's been for them. And I should add, Seafoam can be used for gas or diesel engines to help clean injectors, and it can be used in cars, trucks, boats, tractors, and small engines.
Now I'm gonna share something with you that you don't even know. The man that is behind that camera shooting our segment, Cameron, come here. Best photographer in the world, I love him. Tell Cheryl what you told me before we got started.
I've been using Seafoam for an easy 15 years on this truck I've got. You know, the first few times I used it, I could register my mileage uptick. I mean, it really was impressive.
Wow, so it's been super effective for you.
Absolutely.
And this was not planned. He didn't know I was gonna do this.
Amazing, but I'm not surprised.
I know, I mean, thank you for your testimony here.
Oh, you're welcome.
Fantastic. Okay, go do your job. We gotta close out this segment. Okay, so for our viewers who'd like more information on Seafoam, where do they go, Cheryl?
Seafoamworks.com.
Seafoamworks.com, or you could check out our website, designingspaces.tv. Wasn't that great? Wasn't that a good surprise?
Yes.